guys, whatever we are going to use for the ingredients of making the butternut soup, we have our major ingredient, which is the butternut, and then we have onions, 2 red onions, and ginger. Also guys, if you have the white onion, please use that one. I do not have that. We have some rosemary, we have some black pepper, and because we want our soup creamy, we have some coconut cream. So I am not going to talk through the video. It will be a no talk video, but I am going to show you the steps, so please make sure you follow them. I'm also going to leave the ingredients on the description bar. Please follow that, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. So enjoy the video, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. They want flicker touch. These soft words whispered in my back. Set my heart on fire.
So hey guys, I am here to close the video, but I remembered the day when the video will be uploaded will be on Sunday and it will be Mother's Day. So to all mothers out there, in whatever shape of a mother you take, a single mom, a step mom, a mother to children, to a child, you're expecting a child, a happy Mother's Day everyone, and just know that you're beautiful, you're gorgeous, and you're enough. You're the best mothers. All right, so happy Mother's Day, enjoy, and we'll talk later.